Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're sick of cluttering your counter with separate air fryers, toasters and ovens just to whip up crispy fries or a perfect roast, then get pumped because today we're diving into a real kitchen hero. I'm talking about the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. This brushed stainless steel beauty combines convection power with air frying smarts to handle everything from breakfast toast to dinner roasts. You can snag it right now on Amazon using the link in the description, and trust me, it's going to transform how you cook at home. Let's break it down and see why this oven is a must-have for any busy kitchen. First, the feature breakdown on the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. This isn't your average countertop gadget. It's equipped with the Element IQ system featuring 5 independent quartz heating elements that intelligently distribute heat for spot-on cooking every time. With 1800 watts of power, it preheats lightning fast, reaching up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. The super convection technology boosts air circulation, speeding up cook times by up to 30% and giving you that ultra crispy finish without extra oil. It comes with 11 cooking functions to cover all your needs. Toast for even browning on up to 6 slices, bagel for that ideal crisp inside, bake for cakes and casseroles, roast for juicy meats, broil for melting toppings, pizza for 13-inch pies with perfect crust, cookies for bakery-style treats, reheat without sogginess, warm to keep food ready, air fry for healthier fried favorites, and slow cook for tender results over time. The bright LCD screen auto-adjusts times and temperatures based on your selection, making it super user-friendly. Size-wise, it's compact yet spacious at about 18.9 inches wide by 15.9 deep by 10.9 high, with a 0.8 cubic foot interior that fits a whole chicken, 9-cup muffin tray, or a 13-inch pizza. The build is premium brushed stainless steel that's fingerprint resistant and easy to clean, with a non-stick interior. It includes handy accessories like an air fry basket, enamel roasting pan, 13-inch pizza pan, and a wire rack. Setup is simple. Just plug it in, no assembly fuss. Priced around $350, it's a smart buy for the versatility. Now, pros and cons to keep it real with you. On the pro side, the versatility is unreal. It replaces multiple appliances, saving you space and money while delivering pro-level results like crispy air-fried chicken without the oil mess. The fast preheat and even heat mean no more waiting or hotspots, and users rave about how it bakes cookies evenly or roasts veggies to perfection. The capacity is great for families or small gatherings, and the smart features make it easy for beginners but customizable for experienced cooks. Plus, it's energy efficient, using less power than heating your full oven for everyday meals. But no product's perfect. The main con is the price. At $350, it's not budget-friendly for casual users. It's a bit bulky for very small counters, and the fan can be noticeable during convection mode. Some folks mention occasional issues with the door seal after heavy use, but Breville's warranty covers that well. Overall, the pros far outweigh the cons if you cook regularly. So, my recommendation? Absolutely grab the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer if you're looking to streamline your kitchen without sacrificing quality. The pros like all-in-one versatility, speed, and even cooking make total sense for busy families, health-conscious cooks, or anyone tired of takeout. It's not just an oven, it's your new go-to for effortless, delicious meals that wow. Before we wrap, if you love these reviews, hit subscribe for more kitchen gear, tips, and tricks. And seriously, click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel at no extra cost to you and gets you the best deal. Finally, don't forget to use the link below for the absolute best pricing, including special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with your friends, or subscribe for more. Catch you in the next one.